Okay, this is how far we got today. Got the carburetor intake manifold bolted on, and I set the carburetor up here and put a couple of bolts in it loose just to be able to take the lid off without any trouble. Looks pretty good. It's got some crusty, nasty stuff down in the float bowls, but that's probably just from having ethanol fuel and, you know, leaving it sit. So that'll clean up, no trouble. Everything moves the way it's supposed to. You know, and the springies are there and everything seems to work, so we'll clean that up and that'll be ready to go back together. The lid is over here. This is where the floats are, so float valves are in here and get actuated by the float. One for the primary, one for the secondary, and they're probably cruddy or whatever. I have a carb kit here, so that'll probably have new float valves in it, and we'll probably just put new ones in. Accelerator pump spring seems to work really pretty well. The rubber looks good too. So these are the jets. They're pretty crusty looking. We'll have to clean them up. But other than that, it's pretty good. Yep. Looks like the cat's inspecting it. So yeah, we'll be cleaning the carburetor up and sticking it back together, and then putting our MSD. Oh, maybe I'll pull that out of the box now and have a look at it. See if it mates up to anything here. It has to mate up to, at the very least, the right side ignition coils and the left side ignition coils, and the crank sensor, which is right there. That stuff should be in the wiring harness.